welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review of the upcoming Oppo Reno 12 Pro, set to release on 31st May 2024. If you are eager to know what this sleek and powerful device has to offer, you are in the right place. From its stunning display to its impressive camera setup, we'll cover it all. So, stay tuned and let's dive right into the details of the Oppo Reno 12 Pro. First up, let's talk about the display and design. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080x2412 pixels. With 1 billion colors, a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and a peak brightness of 1200 nits, this screen is perfect for immersive viewing experiences and smooth scrolling. The phone has a sleek design, weighing just 183g and measuring 7.6mm in thickness. It's also IP65 rated for dust and water resistance, adding an extra layer of protection. In terms of memory and storage, the Oppo Reno 12 Pro comes in three variants: 256GB with 12GB RAM, 256GB with 16GB RAM, and 512GB with 16GB RAM. The UFS 3.1 technology ensures fast data transfer and uploading times, providing a smooth and responsive user experience. Now, let's check out the cameras. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro boasts a triple camera setup on the back, featuring a 50MP main sensor with multidirectional PDAF and OIS, a 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. This setup ensures high-quality photos in various conditions. The phone supports 4K video recording at 30/60ths of a frame per second and multiple frame rates for 1080p videos, with gyro EIS for stable footage. The 50MP front camera, with autofocus and 4K video recording capability, guarantees stunning selfies and vlogs. Battery life is crucial, and the Oppo Reno 12 Pro excels with its 5000 mAh battery. It supports 80W wired charging with power delivery, allowing you to charge quickly and efficiently. Plus, it has reverse wired charging capabilities, making it versatile for all your power needs. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, with an octa-core CPU and Immortalis G715MC11 GPU. This powerful combination ensures smooth performance for gaming, multitasking, and daily use. Running on Android 14 with ColorOS 14.1, the user experience is both intuitive and customizable. The phone also features stereo speakers, although it lacks a 3.5mm jack, offering high-quality audio through its speakers and Bluetooth. In terms of connectivity, the Oppo Reno 12 Pro supports a range of network technologies including GSM, CDMA, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. It also features dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and an infrared port, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro is expected to release on 31st May 2024 and is priced at around €440. Available in black, purple, and rose gold, it offers a premium look to match its advanced features. So, there you have it, an in-depth look at the Oppo Reno 12 Pro. With its vibrant display, powerful performance, versatile camera setup, and long-lasting battery, it's a fantastic option for anyone in the market for a new smartphone. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Oppo Reno 12 Pro and if you are planning to get one. Thanks for watching.